Mr. Billy.
Monday morning here at Evoke Aviation. We've got a lot to do this week. We had a little bit of a short week last week because of Thanksgiving, so we're going to try to make up some extra time and get ready for the holidays. We've got the Lancer. It's coming out of the booth. We finally got all the pearl on it. We're putting the top coat on that today. We're going to roll the RV10 back in the booth, start putting colors on that, and then we've got our customer visiting us to check out the PC9. So we're really going to be hammering down on that project and getting a lot of paint on there, getting it blue, getting it ready to start laying and out and striping that project. So not to mention the body shop, those guys are killing it. They've got an airplane ready to prime, so they got it etched and alidined, and they've got body work going on a 10. Lots to do. I think we've even got another airplane going together, the RV7 that we finished buffing, so it's gonna be a big week. Lots to do.
Does it being cold affect paint or anything like that?
Temperatures do slow us down a little bit as far as paint application goes, but it doesn't really slow down the process too much. We just kind of plan the day a little bit better so we can do different things between coats while we're waiting for things to dry, and we adjust basically our mixes on our paint. So we change our reducers and use some different temperature I guess just mixes for paint in the cold weather. And yeah, we actually can't put on as much paint. It does like to run a little bit more when it's cold, but you know, we keep the hangar warm enough that we can paint. It's not that big of a deal.
Yeah, awesome.
Painting time, boys.
Yeah, we're playing plain Tetris this morning.
Plain Tetris. We do not want to open the doors and let our heat out of here, so we've got to make sure we can move everything around and play the old slide board puzzle game with the airplanes today. The Lancer, it's a pretty big airplane. There's a lot of surface area on the wing, fast airplane. So long, skinny wing, but it makes it a little more difficult to move around. It's also not the most maneuverable airplane.
Yeah, I've been used to filming the little RVs, and I'm like, all right, get it underneath the wing, and oh no, the wing's still going on this one.
That's a little bigger. Hot rod.
It's a big boy. Would you like to see the great new innovation in Evoke Vlog technology?
Yeah.
Behold the talking stick.
Whoa.
It's so high-tech and advanced.
Give me that. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Jet, do you have anything to say?
Impeccable as always.
That's interesting.
My homie, you know.
Just keeping each other warm.
Homies hugging homies here at Evoke Aviation.
Keeping each other warm. So we're trying something new with our team leads. So Billy, Justin doing team leads or project leads. What I'm going to start trying to do is, instead of kicking everybody around so much, just keep individual teams on the same projects that are running through it, and then having one person overseeing that project and the people that are working on it. I know, as small as it seems, even with a small group, you know, you guys can have your own one-offs, or we can, you know, y'all can kind of lay out what you're doing for the day in our morning meetings. So, Billy, as the senior painter, talking to the
You can hold the stick if you like.
Talk to the stick?
Yeah.
All right, so what's y'all's plan for the day?
All right, we're going to, me and Chasten is going to sand the wings and get it prepped and ready for paint. I'm going to have Eric and Nathan, they're going to prep the gear doors. Eric's going to prime them, and then when the primer's ready and set up, we'll go paint the gear doors. I'll let Eric paint them, and I'll step in there with him and help him. That
Sweet.
should be
We're gonna get color on the wings today, maybe?
We're going to sand and see how far we get. We should be really close.
Okay.
So, all right,
Great.
pass the stick to Justin.
And y'all got color on the fuselage yesterday, which is great. So it's punched in and ready to go.
Well, me and Noah will be working on this glorious RV10 to get it black. on hopefully today. So we're going to continue masking, just a little bit of masking here and there left, but we should hopefully be putting black on by the end of the day today.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's push. Let's get it all done today.
Ready?
Ready, break. I think the talking stick is awkward.
Think so?
Yeah. Doesn't it feel awkward?
Like Bob Barker. He's got that Price is Right vibe, though.
You got to.
Welcome back to another beautiful morning here at Evoke Aviation. We are ready to rock and roll. This morning we've got base coat going on, we've got tape coming off, and we've got a flip going on from the Justin Halleck's crew. The PC9 team is going to be sealing and putting blue on the wing, and here we have it. Coming in late from stage left, that is Billy Gaston. He is the team lead and also late. Everybody give him a big ol' rowdy boo. Boo. All right, honestly though, so this morning, you guys throw tape on there as quick as you can. Let's get the color on there. Let's flip it. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna dry slow. PC9 guys.
We're gonna wing it today.
You're gonna wing it. Let's get the wing blue. Evan is gonna be here tomorrow, midday. We wanna have as many parts blue as possible. So everybody just be on your best behavior. We do have company coming. So
You're asking the wrong three people.
but everybody just nose of the grindstone, lots to do. It's Thursday, 2 days left to basically kick ass and get some stuff painted. So, all right, Evoke on 3. 1, 2, 3. Evoke. All right.
So what are you thinking so far?
I think it's worth every bit of weight, every bit of anxiety, every bit of work. It's worth it.
That's what we like to hear.
This is just at the, intermediate stage.
Yeah.
It's not final stage by any means. I'm just so thrilled I can't stand it. Almost 14 years of work.
Really?
I built this airplane. And I bought the kit in 2012. And brought it to my home. And then over a period of 10 years,
Yeah.
built it at my home, took it to an airport, and had the first flight in January of 2023. I've been flying it for a couple of years since, waiting for the paint slot.
Well, you can tell the work that was put into it.
Well, thank you for saying that. It was a lot. But I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the work. So, as I say, it's all good. It's all good.
Make sure to include the part where we charge extra when the customer comes to help.
And your shop rate goes up 50%.
Yeah, double when the customer is helping.
Absolutely.
It is Friday here at Evoke. We have got a customer coming in to visit and check on his project again today. So we're gonna get that all ready and set up for him to check out. Pretty big project. We've got to work out some details with him. We've got our RV10 crew working tirelessly to try to put red on the RV10. And then of course we've got our crew in here working on that PC9 project. So Dave is over here striping the Lancer. Jim was very happy with the project and process so far. So anyways, it's been a great week. Weather's kind of crummy today. It's a little rainy, but we're in the building. We're nice and dry and as warm as we can be. So we're just gonna keep on keeping on it. And yeah. Friday.
That's that Friday energy.
That's that Friday energy. All right, so one of the most important skills that our painters have to have is masking. So masking is like #1 base layer, foundational skill that's needed. So we spend, what do you think? 90% of the time taping and 10% of the time painting? we spend most of our time actually taping up for the colors. So as our designs get more and more intricate, we have to flip the color, retape it, flip the tapes, do it again. Most of our designs have 3 to 4 colors in them, so we have to do that process at least 3 to 4 times. And then like on this airplane, we're gonna have some custom carbon fiber airbrush work on it. So that's gonna be another whole process that'll be cool to show you guys kind of how we do that a little bit. But yeah, anyways, masking, #1 painter skill that nobody ever talks about. Painting is actually, in my opinion, easier than masking correctly. So watch them work.
I was informed that we were given something today from the visit.
Yeah, we don't have a monster sponsorship just yet. However, we do have donations that would to us. So one of our customers, Evan, this is his awesome PC9, brought us a case of Monster because he saw the YouTube channel and contributed. So now we've decided the guys have already busted into it. They're gonna work all night long, all weekend, because they got a full case and they're drinking at room temp. These guys don't care, man. They don't care.
All right, where's it at? Just so I can, get B-roll of it. I just really need to know where the Monster's at.
Break room.
Okay, awesome. I'll be right back. This right here, this is what it's all about.
Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Hopefully we have earned your subscription and a like. So if you can like, comment, subscribe, we appreciate every bit of it. Thank you guys for continuing to come and see what we're doing here behind the schemes at Evoke Aviation. We will see you next week. That's all, folks.